In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Edge to Chrome. If you're ready to move from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome, this process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can install Chrome, bring over your browsing data, and make it your main browser in Windows. To begin, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Since Edge is already installed on most Windows devices, it's the easiest way to get started. Once Edge is open, go to the official Google Chrome download page. It's important to use the official page so you know you're getting the correct and most up-to-date version of Chrome directly from Google. When you arrive at the download page, click the button to download Chrome. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file. Once the download is complete, open or run that installer. Depending on your Windows settings, you may see a security or permission prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. If that appears, go ahead and approve it so the installation can continue. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to finish installing the browser. In many cases, Chrome installs automatically after you launch the installer, so you may only need to wait a moment while the setup completes. Make sure not to close the installer too early, and let the process finish fully before moving on. Once installation is done, Chrome should open for the first time on its own, or you can launch it manually from your Start menu or desktop. During your first run of Chrome, you'll usually have the option to import your data automatically. This can include things like bookmarks, saved browsing history, and other basic browser preferences from Edge. If you want a smoother transition, this is a helpful step because it allows you to continue browsing with familiar shortcuts and saved websites already in place. Take a moment to review the import options and continue with the ones you want. Finally, if you want Chrome to become your main browser, change your default browser in Windows settings. This ensures that web links, web-based files, and supported internet shortcuts open in Chrome instead of Edge. Open your Windows browser settings, find the default apps or default browser section, and select Google Chrome as the default choice. Once that's done, your switch from Edge to Chrome is complete. You'll now be able to browse in Chrome by default with your imported data ready to use and your setup fully in place.